How to change camera lens correction settings on your iPhone. If you want to enable or disable lens correction for photos taken with your iPhone, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Camera. Now, scroll to the Lens Correction option. Tap the Lens Correction toggle to turn it on or off. When lens correction is enabled, your iPhone automatically corrects lens distortion around the edges of photos taken with supported cameras, helping images look more natural. If you turn it off, your photos will be saved without these automatic lens corrections. Once you've made your choice, simply close the Settings app. Your changes will be saved automatically and will apply to future photos you take with the Camera app. If you don't see the lens correction option, keep in mind that it's only available on supported iPhone models. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.